How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial with Eli Dugan. Today, I'll show you how to use logic-based formulas. If you have experience with programming, you may already know of these logical rules and know how to tell a computer how to make decisions based on them. However, if not to worry, since these rules are generally pretty intuitive. And, or, and XOR, spelled XOR, basically ask you to input logical statements and they will then return either true or false. These logical statements can be directly typed in, or they could also work like a formula where you can reference cells and it will update if necessary. So the AND gate, which you can access with equals and then AND, will only return true if every statement passed through it is true, and will return false otherwise. So in this case, 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1 equals 1. So this should return true. However, if I change it such that one of the statements is false, then it will return false. Now, the OR gate will return true if any of the statements passed through are true, and will return false otherwise. So in this case, one of them is true, one of them is false, it returns true. And the XOR gate will return true if exactly one of the statements that is passed through is true, and will return false otherwise. Now, NOT will invert whatever you pass through. If your statement is false, as you can see here, putting that same statement inside of a NOT will make it true, and vice versa. Finally, the IF formula will look at a logical statement like 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then you can tell Excel what to return if the statement is true and what to return if it is false. You can nest them, like for example saying if this statement is true, then check for other things with more if statements, but be careful of nesting too much because it can get hard to follow if you aren't keeping track properly. And that's it. Following these steps, you too can use logic formulas. Happy spreadsheeting, and long live the class of 2021.